Today in the workshop we have a BMW 3 Series that came in as a breakdown. Now driving it, it is chugging all over the place, definitely has a misfire, and having plugged it into a diagnostic, the only code that's coming up is for the glow plugs. And I was thinking to myself, glow plugs would not make this chug as bad as it is. So what I was going to do was an injector leak off test, but I've opened the bonnet, and with the engine cover out of the way, there's quite a bit of carbon buildup around this intake, and maybe a coolant leak too. Let's start it up so I can show you. So at the minute, no lights on the dash. So that explains that. That's going to be a lovely intake manifold and swirl flaps through. I think that's a Monday job. This definitely is not a Saturday job. I suppose I could. It's quite peaceful on a Saturday. No, work-life balance.